Chapters are one of the newer features that YouTube has come out with, and they're useful in many ways, not just one. So, firstly, the rule of thumb is to be using chapters on videos that are any longer than 15 minutes. The longer the video, the more important chapters are. So, for podcasts like 30-minute, 1 hour, 2 hour podcast, chapters are very, very important. For videos that are less than 10 minutes, not as important. I still use them anyway. As a rule of thumb, for videos 15 minutes plus, really you should be using chapters. So they do multiple things. So I'm using the Diary of a CEO as an example because these guys use chapters really well. So firstly, it tells the viewer what the video is about, right? So before I'm going to kind of commit to watching this video for 3 hours, I want to know whether the topics are actually interesting to me. And so I can see straight away, right? That's the first thing. The second thing is obviously to help the viewer navigate. So for example, if I'm not interested in Mo's new book and states of the world, then I can quite easily skip to the next part. And this helps with audience retention because if I didn't skip to the next part, I might just click to another video. Third thing that why these are helpful, because it helps with SEO. So it gives the YouTube algorithm a bit more information of what the video is about because it's using these words as keywords, right? So it knows that this video talks about stress. It knows that it talks about stress quite a lot. It knows that this video talks about work-life balance. So that's the third reason. And the fourth reason, I think this is possibly the most important reason, is that it helps evoke curiosity. It helps with audience retention, right? So here, it's important that you don't give away the golden nuggets of information in the chapters because then it's like, why would the viewer even watch the video if you're giving away the kind of secrets in the chapters? So what is more optimal is asking questions or like purposely asking curiosity evoking questions to make the viewer want to watch that part of the video, therefore increasing audience retention. So there's many reasons why you would use chapters. Like I said, even for like 7-minute, 10-minute videos, I use chapters too. But it's the longer the video, the more important chapters are. And if used correctly, there's so many benefits to using them.